Hi everybody, welcome to Green Living Path. Namaste. It's so awesome to see everybody, Green Living Tribe. Today we're going to talk about why some people have trouble manifesting, some people don't. Why there's such a big difference in people that it can manifest straight away, people that can manifest, and then people that have trouble manifesting. One of the number one reasons why people aren't manifesting is because they built up resistance within themselves, and that resistance is like a wall. It's blocking them from manifesting their dream life. And you know what that wall is? That's our conditioning from our parents, from the media, from school, from people in our lives, from people we hang out with that are, lower vibration. And what's happening is they're basically having an effect. What you believe, it's being directly put into your unconscious or subconscious mind, and your program is running. So what you've got to do is, instead of seeing yourself so much as a 3D physical being, which we're constantly using our eyes, what's happening is, by doing that, you're seeing yourself in relation to the physical. So you're using physical to try and manifest instead of quantum field, who you truly are. So you've got to connect every day to your essence. So by connecting to your essence, then you can manifest easier. So for example, your true essence is infinite. It's part of the quantum field. It's been here. It's reincarnated for many, many times. That's your essence. People can say no, it's not, but intrinsically, people know there's more to them than just this physical body and just this life. So spending a bit of time each day to reprogram your whole subconscious, like by sitting back and visualizing in the mornings when you wake up, and knowing your infinite being, and then actually thinking of all the things that you can do, because your infiniteness is up here, so you're more than capable of manifesting. But when you're thinking in a physical dimension, you're making yourself finite and small, and the manifesting seems big and you seem down here. So that's the key. When you're working from an infinite perspective, your manifesting is a lot smaller than your true essence. So by visualizing in the morning, seeing yourself as an infinite being, connecting with your source, the quantum field that you truly are, your essence, and then also in the mornings and in the evenings, doing that, thinking of your dream life, thinking of your truth, your essence, your infiniteness, right? And then that transforms your whole perspective of yourself, because most people are locked into seeing themselves each day in the physical plane, getting older, and then they've got all these things, these conditions. Oh, my age is this, so I can't do this. My friend told me I can't do this. My mum said I was good at that, but not at that. So you need to get all that programming, put it in a bubble in your mind, and then visualize it, just sending it out into space, sending it away. It no longer serves you. So you need to be doing that, guys, in the mornings and in the evenings. So it deletes all the resistance in yourself. And when you truly realize that you're part of the field, part of quantum field, then you're actually standing in your own power. You're actually vibrating on a totally higher vibration. So that means the manifesting side of things is way down here. So you can manifest a lot easier, because you can quite easily resonate with that, because you're at a higher frequency. You can quite easily resonate with your dream life. But when you're physical, you have to try and get up to resonate with that. And it's a lot harder to use physical against physical, but when you're manifesting through your infinite self, you have a huge infinite power that you're tapping into source energy. It's just like when you're in flow state, guys, when you're surfing a wave and you're in flow. Now, even though it's a big wave, or you're duck diving a wave and it's almost effortless, or you're doing skating and you're dancing, or you're just things are just happening for you, one after the other on each day. It's you've connected with, you've tapped into your source, and you're radiating a high vibration, guys. So implementing things like visualizing, meditating each day is really important because you're connecting with your higher self, and you've got to actually do that each day. So then you're letting go of seeing yourself as just a physical, finite small being. By meditating, you're opening yourself up and you're connecting with your source energy to the field. Visualizing, meditating, affirmations, guys, really important. Write down some affirmations that are empowering. And do this day in, day out till you actually start seeing results. Every time you have doubt, you need to actually reprogram. Just take some time to connect with your higher self. Every time you have anxiety, take some time to connect with your higher self using the breath, meditating, or visualizing as well in the mornings and evenings. And you need to keep doing this because your resistance your conditioning can take a while to get rid of, and it depends on how much conditioning you've got. Some people have truckloads of it, okay, so it takes a longer time. Some people have less, which is good, and some people have really worked at it, so they realize that. So it's basically the alignment of yourself with your source energy, and then you can actually manifest, guys. I mean, I've got 18 books online, which now I've manifested through writing, okay. I've got this YouTube channel. I've got other things, other revenue streams that I get income from. I've got websites. I do a lot of meditation, yoga, visualizing. Yoga is really key as well because it's connecting your body, and it's the definition of yoga is obliterating boundaries, guys. Surfing's really good, which I love doing. It's helping you get in flow state and tune into the ocean, and it's also a metaphor for tuning into your life. When you tune into your dreams and desires and realize that you are infinite, that you're tuning in, you're in flow state, you can manifest it so much easier, guys. So just taking care of each one of these things, and the quantum field and quantum physics is now realizing the effect our mind state, our vibration has on matter. We have a huge effect. They've proven that in experiments, and they actually realize now that our consciousness has a direct effect in actually manifesting our reality. So if you just think about that, what they're saying is our thoughts, we're thinking, and 85% of people in the world are based in fear and lack, right? If you notice that, and then they're wanting to fight, manipulate, manifest, physically trying to get through because they've been conditioned to do that. It's not their fault. They don't even know that they've been programmed, guys, like this. That's the crazy thing. A lot of people don't even realize they've been programmed to think like that. So that's a huge amount of people. And so to step out of that and to realize that you are an infinite being, that you are connected to source, and you are love, you are abundant, you are a beautiful being, it's diametrically opposed to the fear and lack of like 85%, guys, of people. So you want to transform into that new perception, and it's almost like when you're seeing yourself physically, you got to flip it around and see yourself as more infinite. And when you're walking along the street, and when you meet your friend, or see the infiniteness in them, the glint in their eye, the smile, just see them as more infinite being. And when you do that, then you raise your vibration, and you see yourself as more an infinite being too. So you need to transition from more looking at things in a physical context more to the deeper essence of everything. What's behind everything, because you're not the first time you've been on this circus, this lap of life. You've had many reincarnations, guys. You've been in this suit, this physical body, many times, in different physical bodies. So, and your essence is aware of that. So you're consciously expanding your consciousness, guys. So connecting with that higher self will be the key for you to transition over the bridge from the physical, over the magical bridge, into the world of the infinite. And then things will become easier. You'll be more in flow state. You're using your infinite side to manifest instead of using the physical side to manifest, which is a huge transition, guys. And I know that you're here for a reason, and I know you're here to learn and to grow. Same with me. Every day I'm here to learn and grow. I look at things as we're all the same. We're all, infinite beings. So I don't look at things as lower or higher. I just think people have invested more time in realizing that. Some are more self-realized, some are less. Some just thinks that's woo-woo, which is hard case, because quantum physics is saying the opposite, guys. So I really hope all this helped. It's lovely to have the Green Living Tribe on board, and you're here for a reason, and realize that you're infinite in everything you do every day. So namaste, everybody. I'll see you later. Bye.